Hello everyone, my name is Callan Don, and welcome to Don Internet Marketing's YouTube channel. Here at Don Internet Marketing, we are passionate about helping organizations build a strong online presence and grow their business through creative online marketing strategies. Today, I'm here to talk to you about the incredible benefits of blogging for businesses. Blogging is an integral part of marketing your business, and when done correctly, blogging can significantly impact your business in terms of brand awareness, search engine optimization, customer engagement, and lead generation. As a professional marketer, I understand the power of a successful blog and how it can help organizations reach their goals. I am certified in e-commerce, content marketing, and client acquisition, and I have the expertise to teach you the best tips and strategies for optimizing your blog and utilizing it to benefit your business. Let's now look at some of the benefits of blogging for businesses. First and foremost, blogging is a great way to increase brand awareness. A blog, when posted regularly and with quality content, will help you reach a larger and more diversified audience. You can provide detailed information about your products, your company's vision, mission, and values, as well as success stories and industry news related to your business. This regular content gives potential customers an insight into your business and helps them build a trusting relationship with your brand. As you continue to post content, your business will become more visible and noticed by potential customers, thus increasing brand awareness. Blogging is also a great way to improve your website's search engine optimization, SEO. The more posts you create, the more opportunities you have to gain organic traffic. When you blog, you provide Google with more pages to index, thus increasing your chances of ranking higher in CRP's, search engine results pages. You can also embed keywords, links, and other SEO-focused content in your blog posts to make sure you are found for relevant searches. Blogging is also a great way to engage with customers and potential customers, as it allows them to interact with your brand. You can create stimulating content that encourages customers to leave comments, ask questions, and voice opinions. This gives you a chance to build relationships with your audience, attract new customers, and build stronger connections with existing customers. Finally, blogging is a great way to capture leads and generate more sales. You can insert calls to action, CTAs, in your content, directing readers to landing pages and other marketing campaigns. This creates opportunities to capture valuable leads and nurture them until they become paying customers. Blogging is an essential tool for any digital marketing strategy. It offers businesses the opportunity to engage with their target audiences and capture leads while nurturing relationships with their current customers. There are several types of blogging to consider. Guest blogging is when writers create content for a blog that is not their own. Guest blogging is a great way for businesses to get exposure to a wider audience. It allows your content to be seen by a larger audience who may not otherwise have been exposed to it. It is important to ensure that your guest blogs are high quality and trustworthy. Additionally, by writing for other industry blogs, you get the chance to develop relationships with the other established writers and businesses in the industry. A corporate blog is a blog that is created and managed by an organization, typically in order to promote their products and services. Corporate blogs are used to drive website traffic and provide an avenue for customers to build relationships with the company. They can be used to announce important news, such as product launches and company milestones, as well as give customers an inside look at the organization. By creating a corporate blog, businesses are able to position themselves as a thought leader in their industry and have better control over the content being shared and the story that is being told. Community blogging involves the creation of content by members of a particular community or organization. Community bloggers typically have an intimate knowledge of the subject that they are writing about and can provide insider perspectives that would otherwise be impossible to obtain. For businesses, community blogs offer an ideal way to engage with their target audience and promote their services to a select group of loyal followers. Additionally, community blogging also helps to increase word-of-mouth referrals, which can lead to more customers. No matter what type of blogging you choose, it is important to provide high-quality content that is relevant to your target audience. By consistently creating compelling content, businesses can position themselves as an authority and gain a loyal following. Furthermore, blogging provides an opportunity to track analytics, such as page views and click-through rates, which can be used to fine-tune the messaging and overall strategy. Getting started with a blog for a business doesn't need to be a daunting process, but there are a few steps to get started. First of all, it is important to decide what the purpose of the blog is. Is the goal to inform and educate readers or to provide customer support? A blog can encompass both, but it is helpful to have overall goals in mind before launching a blog. This helps to ensure that the content stays focused and that each post contributes to the page's message. Next, it is important to create content that is engaging and relevant to the readers. It is beneficial to create content that speaks to the target audience of the business. This could include industry news, product reviews, helpful tips and tutorials, or insights about the business. Consistently publishing quality content keeps the blog fresh and encourages readers to come back for more. After the content has been created, it is time to move on to design and layout. Blogs should be easy to navigate with sufficient white space and clear headings. Having an aesthetically pleasing page not only looks professional, but also helps visitors to focus on the content. Furthermore, it is important to make sure that the website is responsive and mobile friendly. Finally, in order to promote the blog and drive traffic to it, search engine optimization is essential. SEO ensures that the blog content is properly indexed by search engines, so it can be easily found by the intended audience. This includes using the right keywords in titles and tags, as well as making sure that the website is optimized to load quickly and have minimal errors. Additionally, it is helpful to promote the blog posts through other online channels such as email marketing, social media platforms, and other websites. Knowing what to write about is an important part of content marketing. When creating content, you need to consider your target audience and what they want to hear. You can use various techniques to help you determine what to write about. First, conduct research on the topics that are popular in your industry. To do this, look at blog posts, videos, and other content within your market to understand what types of topics are popular. Make sure to take note of language being used and popular keywords that will help you capture attention. This will help you brainstorm potential topics you can write about. Second, before you start writing, consider any common questions from customers in your industry. When engaging with the target audience in your industry, keep track of any common questions that have been asked. Use these questions and inquiries to think of topics you can write about on a blog, video, or article. Third, pay attention to the type of content your target audience is engaging with. As a content marketer, you must look at the engagement rate and type of content that resonates with the target audience. If people are commenting or liking posts that discuss a specific topic, this shows that there is interest and you can write content based off of this. Finally, use digital analytics to help you determine what content is popular among your target audience. By understanding how your content is performing and how long people stay on your page, you can create content that resonates more with the target audience and get higher engagement rates. By using the above methods, you can have a better idea of what content to create for content marketing. Having knowledge of common inquiries, posted engagement, and analytical data can help you determine and create topics that resonate with your target audience. With the right content, you can produce quality that helps you stand out in the ever-changing landscape of content marketing. Thank you for watching our video on the benefits of blogging for businesses. You've now heard that blogging offers unique opportunities to grow your business, build relationships, create and nurture brand trust, improve search engine rankings, and generate leads and conversions. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget, if blogging can increase conversions, it can increase your bottom line. We'd love to hear your thoughts about this video. Leave a comment down below.